Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that there was a huge volatility in the market yesterday, and market broke the important support of 1740 to 1750. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then I clearly mentioned that there is a good possibility of market going towards the downside because dollar was extremely strong, and as per our calculation and as expected, dollar did go up and right now we can see that dollar is still very much strong right now because this was an ascending triangle pattern and dollar gave us a breakout, and as a result gold started going towards the downside because usually we see a correlation between dollar and gold. When dollar goes up, gold goes down, and when dollar goes down, the price of gold goes up. So right now if you just observe the chart of US dollar here, you can see that US dollar after this huge up move yesterday, right now still it is retracing and near the resistance, but overall setup is still very much bullish and there is a possibility of going up from here. In case it starts coming down, then definitely it will be getting support. Yes, it will be getting support from this particular level, and it has a good possibility of going towards the upside. Just mind it, if dollar starts going up again, then definitely gold will be going down. The only factor that we need to keep our eyes on is the Fed Chair Powell speech. Yes, we have a speech from the Fed Chair, Mr. Powell, after 10 hours 35 minutes. So you can also keep your eyes on the economy calendar because this is also a market driving factor. Okay. And on the other hand, if you just look at the chart of gold USD here, then this is the new setup. Okay. This was the previously this level 1740 to 1750 was the support for the market, and right now we can hope that the previous support will be acting as the new resistance for the market. And right now you can see that overall setup of the market has changed little bit. The previous support has become the new resistance, and 1728 to 1717, this is the new support for the market. So in simple words, there is a good possibility of market reversing from this new resistance. So if market reverses from this new resistance level 1740 to 1750, you can short the market. On the other hand, if market bounces from 1728 to 1717 level, you can go for a buy. Just keep in mind the overall chart of gold USD has become quite complicated and volatile. So if you are a beginner, if you're in a learning phase right now, then please avoid gold USD because the volatility and the complication in the chart of gold USD may bring some trouble to your trading account. Okay, so there are other possibilities and opportunities on other currency pairs. So if you are a beginner, then you can also look for opportunities on the other currency pairs as well. So my dear friends, just keep in mind, if you are a beginner, if you can afford to take risk, then only trade here, and most importantly follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's my request, my dear friend. Being a trader, this is your duty to protect your hard-earned money. And my dear friends, recently last month I have launched the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to the Pro Trader section on my website abhilashazarika.com. You'll find all the necessary information. So this is the new resistance. So if market reverses, then only short the market, and if market bounces from the support, you can go for buy. And most importantly, keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. Okay, so if DXY again gets very bullish, then do not buy on gold. Okay, if it breaks the support also, do not buy on gold. Just keep your eyes on DXY and trade wisely. If you are a beginner, you can avoid gold USD for the next 1 or 2 days. Hopefully, I've understood. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow again.